Welcome to the future of social media automation and domination. I present to you AI Social Agent, your first ever fully autonomous and sophisticated AI agent, designed to plan, create, and execute high-performing social media campaigns across all platforms to drive traffic, generate leads, and boost sales for your business. In this video, I'll give you a step-by-step walkthrough of how smart individuals like you are using AI Social Agent as the secret weapon to grow their business and dominate on social media, all in 3 easy steps. Ready? Let's dive right in. From the campaign dashboard right inside your account, click on AI Social Agent to access the AI Social Agents portal. From here, you can manage all your existing AI campaigns or go right ahead to create a new one. Let's create a new campaign in 3 stupid simple steps. Step 1. Choose your agent type. You can choose between the social media agent built to create, manage, and scale automated AI campaigns across all social media channels. Or you can select the blog post agent designed to automate your content marketing campaign across your blogs, Medium, etc. Let's select the social media agent. Next, enter a campaign name and select or connect the social media accounts you want to work with. Step 2. Personalize your agent and make it your own. Enter agent name. Select an avatar or upload one from your local device. Step 3. This is where the magic begins. Tell it your campaign goals and provide other relevant details to give it enough context and data to optimize your campaign for success. And finally, set campaign frequency. Choose to start the campaign immediately or schedule for later. Enable this option to activate the semi-automated mode, which allows you to review generated posts and approve before it's published on your accounts. This is a cool way to make things flexible and ensure you have oversight control over the campaign and content being published. Once done, click on Proceed, and there you go. Easy peasy. The agent swings into action. It starts with researching your niche, top trending and top performing content around it, reviews your goal and audience, and then goes right ahead to start creating and publishing quality content without you ever lifting a finger. This is simply awesome. Over here you can see a list of existing campaigns. From here you can view posts under each campaign, edit campaign, duplicate or delete. Let's view the posts under my new campaign. And because I enabled the semi-automated mode, I'll need to review and approve first before it's published. You can click here to approve, click here to reject, and the AI reworks the post or writes a new one. Click here to edit, here to delete, and here to view status. As you can see here, the post is still under review for the connected accounts. Let's see how the editing option works. Once you click on Edit, it opens up the rich post editor, and from here you can edit, rewrite, and fully customize your content as you see fit. We'll dive deeper into this in a moment. In just a few minutes, I just showed you the secret system top influencers, brands, and businesses are using to run consistent and effective omnipresent campaigns across social media. And now, with AI Social Agent, you too can do the same. This system was designed to be stupid simple to use, and at the same time optimized to deliver excellent results. You simply can't fail with this. And guess what? We've only just scratched the surface. With AI Social Agent, our goal was to provide you with all the tools you'll ever need to dominate and crush it on social media, all in one seamless dashboard, and that's what we have done. While your agent goes ahead to automate and do the heavy lifting, you also have one-click access to a complete suite of social media management and marketing tools right inside your account. Let me take you on a quick tour. Create different content and media types, be it videos, images, memes, GIFs, audios, all media types. You also have the AI Trend Lookup tool. This is a powerful tool in your arsenal to ensure you are on top of the game with your social media strategy. By keeping tabs on trending and viral content across niches and top platforms. Others are the robust social planner, automation recipe module, analytics, and many more. Let's go over each of them, one after the other, so you can see the full power of this system. First, we have the Multi-Channel Content Lab. This is where you can easily create social posts, beautiful image content, blog posts and articles, audio content, and even videos. Let's see how it works. Let's create a social post. See? The editor is very simple and intuitive. You can type directly into the text box, or you can use AI to generate post content. Additionally, you can add trending hashtags, UTM, and emojis. From the left sidebar menu, you can add images to your post by either generating with AI, or you can search for relevant stock media from Unsplash. It's free. Also, you can upload media from your local device. GIFs. You can add GIFs to your post. Simply drag and drop it in the editor. Likewise, memes, articles, and videos. Once done setting up your post content, click on Next. Here, you can select the account or channel you want to publish your post to. You can also select multiple channels at a go. On this view, you can do a final preview and customization of your content. Switch between selected channels here to customize content to suit your audience for each channel. And once you are satisfied, click on Next to select a method to publish. You can choose one from the 3 methods: publish your post now, schedule for later, or save as draft. Let's go with schedule for later. Now click on Save. And that's it! The post has been successfully scheduled. Notice that on the left sidebar we have some options. These are collaborative options to foster seamless communication between everyone working on the campaign. Other inbuilt composers includes the drag-and-drop image designer. This allows you to effortlessly create stunning visual and graphic designs that stop scrollers right on their track. You can design with templates, start from scratch, or go AI assisted. Next is the Blog Post Lab. This is a simple yet sophisticated rich blog post composer. You can create posts for your blogs, Medium channels, websites, and so on. You have the option to type in post content or generate with AI, add images, GIFs, etc., customize post content using our rich text editor options. And once your post is ready, you can go ahead to publish to your blogs, Medium channel, etc. Next is the text-to-audio composer. With this tool, you can turn your text or article content to audio podcasts in one click and share across top podcasting platforms like Spotify. You can create a podcast from existing articles. You can turn quotes into podcasts in one click. Or you can simply input your text or generate with AI. You can select speech style, add different pause effects, select voicer, and so on. Once your text is set, you can go ahead to generate audio and then proceed to customize as you wish. Once it's all ready, you can go ahead to publish to Spotify or any other top podcast sharing platform to drive quality traffic to your business. And finally, on the Content Lab module, we have the AI Video Composer. Effortlessly create professional and highly engaging videos with our intuitive and feature-rich video composer to boost engagement, enhance your brand, and captivate your audience. Here's how it works. Select your default background color. Choose your preferred canvas size. Next, you can either input your script or ask AI to write for you. And then proceed to the editor to move things around and customize as you want. And boom, your video is ready to be published. Next is the AI-powered trend lookup tool. This is how you find highly relevant and trending content suggestions pulled from our massive database of sources or your own custom collection of sources. You can discover trending and high-performing articles, quotes, memes, or videos. Let's see how it works. Articles. Simply input your choice keyword and hit Enter to discover trending content around that topic. This is an effective strategy to effortlessly stay relevant or go viral on social media. Using the article discovery option, you simply find and repurpose already trending content in your niche and watch your traffic and engagement blow up like wildfire. You can also leverage the advanced filter options to further streamline, tailor, and refine your search. Enter irrelevant keywords here to filter out irrelevant results. Filter using date. Filter by language to search for trending content in different languages. Or you can sort by most shared Facebook shares, Pinterest shares, and so on. Once you are done, hit Apply. Next, quotes. Input your choice keyword and hit enter to discover relevant and high-performing quotes around your chosen topic. You can as well explore the available tags to quickly find what you need. Notice that you have quick options upon hovering on any of the quote results. You can click on this option to open the selected quote in our inbuilt design editor to quickly design an engaging image quote. Alternatively, you can share directly on social media, or you can simply click on this option to insert into a blog post. Videos. With just a simple keyword, you can discover trending, usable, and copyright-free videos you can use in your content. You have the option to search from a large YouTube library or from Dailymotion. And same goes for trending memes as well. Next is the robust content calendar and planner tool. This is where you manage your entire content strategy. In one view, you can see and manage all your scheduled content. Preview or delete posts from the calendar. You can switch between grid and list view for better experience. Filter by month, week, or day. Also, you can add content directly from the calendar view as well. And finally, we have the Automation Recipe module. This is an additional automation module that does a different kind of automation from the AI agents. This works by pulling from and leveraging already existing content on the web and from our database. Article links, videos, RSS feed, etc. And based on your set keywords, the system can automatically fetch and perpetually publish these content across your website, social media accounts, and so on to drive traffic, build authority, and grow your business. Also, there's the bulk content uploader that allows you to schedule multiple messages to your social media channels via CSV data import. On the sidebar menu, from here you can switch between brands, add new or view all brands. Under Compose, you have quick access to the Content Lab editor for the different content types. Under Content Types, you have quick access to the AI Trend Lookup feature for the different types of content. Under My Content, we have Drafts. Next is My Posts. This is where you get an overview of all the content you've created, what account they were scheduled or posted to, content status, whether published or in draft, their stats and performance details, and finally, quick action options to preview content, edit, or delete. Next, we have the in-app client feedback and collaboration system. We'll hit more on this later. And finally, we have a quick link to access the Help Center. At the top right corner, you can access the in-app notification desk, roadmap, and your workspace profile settings. And at the bottom right corner, you have the support chat widget to get help or talk with the AI Social Agent support desk. Now, let's go back to the main dashboard to explore available brand settings and the business opportunity you can tap into with this system. When you log into your account for the first time, you'd be greeted by this main dashboard area, where you have your brands or campaigns. Brands are more like dedicated workspaces to organize and manage multiple social media marketing campaigns for different products or offers. And if you run an agency, you can create dedicated brands to manage different clients and their campaigns. You can click here to create a new brand. On an existing brand, you can click here to add collaborators, whether clients, teammates, VAs, etc. For each collaborator, you can assign a role which controls the level of access such collaborators will have. To manage or delete a brand, click on this ellipses icon, here to delete and here to access more options like brand settings, team management, blog and website integration. Here you can integrate your WordPress website, Medium channel, etc. Next is social media channel integration. Here you can integrate platforms like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, etc., audio platform channel integration like Spotify, Podbean, etc., and a host of other available workspace setting options. We have detailed training videos covering each of these options. To work with a brand, simply click on the brand and it'll bring you right to the campaign dashboard, where you can access the AI agent portal and all the other amazing tools we've shown you already. And finally, before we wrap it up, this video will not be complete if we don't show you how to take early advantage of this opportunity and turn this system into an easy 10K per month agency business almost entirely passively. Here's how. Step 1. Quick start your 10K per month social media automation agency using our ready-made click and deploy agency and consultancy package. To set this up, click on Social Media Agency. Here you get access to all the branding and prospecting assets you need to launch your professional agency business and close high-paying deals. You get a ready-made and professional social media agency website. You can click here to deploy it in minutes, and it's fully customizable. See how clean and professional it looks? Next, you get your business cards. You can preview or download in one click. Next, you have flyers, letterheads, proposals, contract template, email sequence, brochure, and ad banners, all done for you. Ready to download and use right away. We have detailed video training attached to each of the assets to guide you step by step on how to deploy and use in your business. Step 2. Find and close ready clients with our one-click lead finder tool. You can search across niches and locations to find ready prospects you can market and sell your services to using our provided done-for-you materials. You get their name, physical address, website, emails, and even phone number, literally everything you need to reach out, follow up, and close them. Step 3. And to crown it all up, we know that for you to truly be successful with this system, it's beyond having the tools at your fingertips. This is why we have decided to also provide the missing link to further guarantee your success: mentorship. Right from your dashboard, you can sign up and join our private mentorship group, where we'll be working with you one-on-one to build out, launch, manage, and scale your social media agency to a 10K per month business. From closing clients to how you can deliver good results and everything else in between. And of course, the in-app client feedback and collaboration option comes in handy for your agency. It provides a two-way benefit to you and your business. On one hand, it helps all teammates and VAs keep in touch and collaborate to deliver excellent results for your campaigns. And on the other hand, it allows for easy communication and feedback collection from clients to keep them engaged and informed, which helps boost retention and satisfaction. As you can see, this system covers the whole 9 yards of social media management, automation, and complete domination. And with the AI social media agent, you simply can't fail with this. Whether you are a busy business owner, a 9-to-5er, or you are simply looking for how to blow up on social media or start an agency, this system is for you. Get your access and launch your first AI social campaign in less than 3 minutes. Guaranteed, or you get your money back. This is an incredible opportunity for you today. And here's the best part. This incredible offer is currently available at a super discount. Don't miss out. Secure your access right now. I look forward to welcoming you on the inside. Cheers!